Hey there, my name is Cody Birch, and I just made a new lead magnet and now need to go make a form in Kit to capture email addresses. Right now, I just drive traffic to the lead magnet from Facebook and Instagram ads, but other people have said they wanted it, and so I need to go make a new landing page. So go into Grow inside of your Kit account, click on Landing Pages and Forms, and click on this black Create New button. Now, you're going to have two options. One is just to make a form, which is really simple. Usually name an email address, and then it just is embedded into another page on your site. But I need an actual full-blown landing page. The template I like is called Hide. So I type in Hide. I'm going to choose this one. I've already made some graphics. I have a mock-up of the cover of the lead magnet as well as a background that I can use that I think looks nice. And I've already uploaded them into my Kit account to spare you the time. So replace the image with the image that you've made. And then under general settings and background, you can delete the background they gave you. And I made a little background with magnets on it. And it's currently at 0% transparency. 100% is a little bit hard to read. So, it's just kind of subtle. Now I need to update the copy. Before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and add another field here for the email address. I'm sorry, for the first name. I'm going to drag first name above that. And enter your best contact info. Sometimes, see if it'll let me stuck with one size. Sometimes it'll let you make something bigger or smaller. So like you can change it from paragraph to H3, H2, H1, but maybe not right there. Send me the lead magnet maker. And I'm going to use my brand colors. They're all saved in here already. So maybe orange for the button there. And this looks pretty good, honestly. I don't know if I can delete that line there. Not that I don't respect your privacy. I just don't like when they add extra stuff, like built with Kit. I don't need that. All right, bullet point 1. It's actually an image, so I don't believe I can edit, like change the color of this. We're just going to leave it as is. Copy and paste prompts. Choose your favorite responses. I'm going to go ahead and fill out the rest of this copy here just to build out a little bit of each section. Okay, added a little bit of context for each one of these bullet points. If there's copy and paste prompts and you choose your favorite responses, then you swipe and copy that into one of my favorite beautiful AI generated lead magnet makers. It makes the design part really simple. So this looks good to me. Nothing else I'd really change about this. So the next thing I need to do is change the, I'm gonna go and change the fonts because those aren't the same fonts that I use. I don't use Playfair Display. I'm more of a Sans kind of guy. That looks a little better already. So that's good enough. And so that's the landing page. I'm gonna go ahead and rename it. AI boosted lead magnet maker. And now I need a new page on the back end. So I'm gonna click on add page. This is the thank you page that they're gonna hit. And I'm gonna do the same thing, just replace the images real quick. You might want a little bit of a different design for this. I'll email you the lead magnet maker. And then next, let's put it to good use inside of email school. It's like the button functionality is not there. Maybe I can't add a button. I'm going to delete these elements here because I don't need them. I'm going to delete the images. Just clean up this page. Keep in mind that whatever page you select on the front end is going to be the page you use on the back end. Like it'll have its own style. That's the link to email school. So now it's just a hyperlink. It's not a button, but that's fine. So now it's really simple. We've got a opt-in page and a thank you page. And then the last step is to connect this to an email that gets sent out. And then we can tell people more about how to put it to use. To do that, I'm going to make sure, before we go to do that, I'm going to make sure when a visitor subscribes to the page, redirect to the thank you page. Hit save, to settings, domain name, AI lead magnet maker, add, looks a little bit prettier. So that's the link now for the landing page. I don't send an incentive email. Whenever somebody comes back, I don't really mind. That's okay. If you want, you can copy and paste in your Facebook pixel. I'm not going to be sending any ads to this, but that should be good for now. We can save the page, publish the page. Here's the link. Let's see how it looks. So that's the thank you page it took me to. But on the main page, oh yeah, that's the main name. I'm going to delete that. That was for the thank you page. And now on the main page, same thing, settings, AI, LMM. Everything else is still the same. Okay, cool. Save, publish. There's my link, okay? So now let's put this to work and put it inside of an automation. I already have an automation that's triggered by a tag. So it's right here, the AI boosted lead magnet. And the current way that this campaign starts is a tag gets applied from a Facebook ad. I'm going to now add another trigger and say whenever somebody joins a form, then they're able to come to this page. So we have the AI boosted lead magnet maker form and click add event. So really simple. They have now downloaded the lead magnet. If they were to submit that form, that would trigger this automation. I would apply a do not disturb tag, deliver their lead magnet, and then remove the do not disturb tag, and then send them to my master switchboard to send them my welcome series and stuff like that. I'll film a different video about that. But that's how to do it. A really simple way to create an opt-in form. And now anytime that anybody wants that lead magnet, I can just send them that URL. They can go opt in with their first name and email address, join my email list, receive the lead magnet, learn about email school, and then they'll receive my daily emails afterwards. So really simple way. It's one of my main reasons I like Kit. I'll put my sign up link in the description if you want to check it out. But it's really simple to use, super intuitive. You can get everything set up in just a few minutes. So if you want the lead magnet, I'll put the link down there below too, just so you can see how it works. And then you can check out email school and you can check out Kit if you would like. Thanks for watching.